Hi, I'm Shelley Ritz, Director of Physical Therapy at Texas Back Institute. Texas Back Institute has been a world-renowned, multidisciplinary spine care center for over 40 years. The mission of Texas Back Institute's Physical Therapy Department is to provide specialized, evidence-based, hands-on spine care, maximizing the function and well-being of our patients. Over 90% of our total patient population has a spine condition. This gives our highly educated physical therapists and technicians significant exposure to treating neck and back pain. As a patient of the Texas Back Institute care team, our physical therapists work directly with your physician as part of the interdisciplinary team, providing high-quality care to ensure the best possible outcomes. Each therapy patient is treated based on their individual deficits and personal goals. Our therapy services are grounded in science and research. We focus on corrective stretching, strengthening exercises, and manual therapy aimed at addressing the underlying causes of pain. We provide the pathway for you to independently manage your spine condition through patient education and a long-term comprehensive home exercise program focused on your functional and recreational goals. One-on-one time with your therapist is a tenet of Texas Back Institute's physical therapy. Whether you need physical therapy as part of your conservative spine care or postoperative rehab, Texas Back Institute has the expertise and care that you need.